From time to time, we're going to see something like this. A fraction, a over b, to a negative power. So if we can generate a general rule for this, we can do these very quickly. Let's develop this rule. So what we've got here is a fraction raised to a power, right, a division to some power, so we can distribute the power to each of the numerator and denominator. So we'll have a to the negative n, b to the negative n. Now we know from our previous work that we can move things up and down in a fraction if we just change the sign of the exponent. So we're going to rewrite this as this fraction, bring the b up but to the positive n, bring the a down to the positive n. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this exponent rule backwards, right? Instead of distributing, I'm going to undistribute. It's almost like factoring. So what we're going to have is b over a to the positive n. Now this may look unusual because we're used to going this way, right? B to the n over a to the n, but now we're just going backwards. So look what we've got here. We started with a over b to the negative n, and now what we did is we switched these. We got b over a to the positive n. So what we do is we invert the fraction and change the sign of the exponent. So here's our rule. Our rule is this. If we have a over b to the negative power, we can rewrite this more simply as b over a, right? Invert that fraction and then just make the power positive. And our proof is right here. And here's a quick example. Suppose that we have, say, x over y to the negative 3. We can write this as y over x to the positive 3.